Hello, class 4th. I think everybody are following my classes. Now we are having the textbook Basic English Grammar and Composition. Now let us learn chapter 6. Before chapter 6 we have completed chapter 5. What is the chapter 5? Questions and answers. Yes, we have completed chapter 5 questions and answers, page number 17 and 18 exercise also. Now we'll go through the chapter 6, the WH family. Children, let us first know about interrogative sentences first. What are interrogative sentences? The sentences which are asking or seeking some information is called the interrogative sentence, and always a interrogative sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So many interrogative sentences start with WH letters. WH means a sentence will be starting with WH. Yes. So what are those WH letters, words? Let us see. When, where, what, which, who, why, and how. So these all are WH letters, starting with WH letters. So we use helping verbs such as, is, are, am, have, do to make WH questions. Helping verb comes before the subject. Here when we are writing WH sentences, you have to write or use helping verbs before the subject. Everybody know that is what is a sentence. A sentence will be having a subject and also an object. A sentence will be having a subject and a object. But when coming to interrogative sentences, you can see there this interrogative sentences will be having the helping verbs before the subject, that is, are, am, have. So when we use interrogative sentences starting with WH family, you have to use helping verbs before the subject. Remember that helping verbs are compulsory to write before the subjects. You can see here those questions they have given. Interrogative sentences are given, and also you can see the answers for the given questions here written. So read these examples in the textbook and write the exercises section 1 and also exercises, that is section 2, you have to write. And let me tell you first what is the first exercise. Here you can see, where are you going? Here some questions are asked to you and you have to write the answers in your own words in the given blanks. Yes, and also you can see the section 2. You can see here answers are given. You have to make the questions given in the brackets. Using the words given in the bracket, you have to use those words and make a question. First one is done for you. You can see Anshita is learning to play the piano. You have to use WHAT, what. WH word you have to use and make a question. Yes, what is Anshita learning? Yes, and you can see second one, the train is on the Yamuna bridge. First you have to see the sentence, what is the subject here. First make sure that what is the subject in the given sentence. Then you have to follow the subject and helping verb in the interrogative sentence. What is the interrogative sentence here? First given here WH ERE, where. Where is the helping verb, and train. Where is the train? They are asking the question. We have to ask the question, where is the train? Similarly, you do the following one, page number 21 also. So you have given the exercises to do page number 19, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Thank you, children.